I'll only tell you the truth because I'm not the, as I said, as talented in words. Yes. So whatever I say comes from the heart. It's the honest, straightforward thing. The thing we're trying to create here is you are all special guests to us. I would like to become friends with you, and we have fun. We do businesses together, and in the process, we create something special which not only impacts us, our families, but on the whole world, we have a positive impact. So that's the simple vision and mission we have. The two ways, what I want to get out of this gathering, obviously I want everyone to relax more. This is your own family. You can ask any questions after the meeting. I would like to, if time allows, meet every one of you and have one-on-one, or we can arrange follow-up meetings where we can discuss how we can work together. How we can work together, there are two ways. All the top people sitting here from Saudi Arabia, thank you very much. My partners, existing partners, and all of you, I would like to become partners with you. How we can do that? There are two ways. One, I imagined a group where we can have top people from the region and from the world, which we can showcase the world, and the people and the institutions who want to invest in good projects, they can have ready-made access, and it's easier for them to get good returns, and it's easier for the ecosystem, the businesses to grow. So I work from level zero youth who doesn't know anything about the business and they want to do businesses, to the company SMEs, to the multi-million dollar turnover companies, to the billion-dollar companies. But what I see the common especially in startups and SMEs, they have potential to become a billion-dollar company. But sometimes they're not expert on everything. They don't know how to reach to the funds available, to the investment companies. They don't have voice, and sometimes they don't have the support system which can take them to the next level, to the billion-dollar. I say always make first target $1 million, and after that multi-million, then $1 billion. On the other side, there are trillions of dollars in the world. Like all the money in the bank, where does it go? And all the billionaires and trillionaires, they have money sitting there. They're looking for projects. They're looking for businesses where they can invest and make good returns. So what we're simply doing, supporting these two groups. On one side, businesses, on the other side, all the investors, we're bringing them together. That's the aim. Now, if we work together, you would be part of our whole group, the consortium. We will present to you all over the world to the top funders, and we will take responsibility of all your funding needs. The process is simple. We discuss your business plans. We see, does this business has the $100 million or $1 billion potential? Then we put together a plan that, okay, we will take responsibility of all the funding needs you have for your business. We'll work together to make you a unicorn, to make you a $1 billion company. That's on one side. On the other hand, with the investors, we look at their requirement, what are their returns, if they want to invest in renewables, they want to invest in technology, if they want to invest whatever niche they choose. So we help them to invest in the right companies or projects. So these are the two different ways. And at the same time, like I've invested over $25 million of my own money last couple of years, and more than $75 million with my friends and families and my investors. And we're making some really good returns. Our average return per annum is over 65%, which you look into this market, it's kind of not heard of. And some of our projects are making more than 200% per year. So on the other hand, you have the opportunity, if you have money, if you have cash, you want to on the side make some good profits, you can join us. You can invest in one of my projects, or at the group level, you can invest there, and we can discuss what returns you would get monthly, annually, quarterly, whatever way it suits you. What my sister said about the women empowerment. Yeah. Again, talking straightforward, when we talk about youth program, we have one youth program for 1 million youth. We're training them to become they empower themselves, and they can stand on their feet, and they can make money for themselves and for their family. So that's grassroots level. Then for businesses, we have opportunity. My brother Yusuf, we had been in discussion, and we're launching a project for local youth, because he highlighted that local need guidance, and there are some amazing entrepreneurs who want to get onto the next level, but there's no support. So we're creating an institute where we will work together, and we will guide them throughout the process, not only the support, but the money as well. Coming to the women empowerment, if, for example, on women empowerment, as I said, straightforward, I'm action guy, not good with words, but very good with action. So if, for example, you have a setup or platform where women, especially the entrepreneur women, we can empower them. I would love to have 10 examples, 10 women You present them to us, their projects. We will help them to become first ladies who take their companies to $1 billion, inshallah.
10,000 women.
10,000, only 10,000. So this is the power of this networking as well. For example, His Highness said in my ear, we're making a movie on UAE and meet me, and this is really, really urgent. So hopefully in a couple of days time we'll be meeting again, and the gentleman here, Aftab Iqbal, would be leading this project. So there's so much we can do. We are businesses here. The ecosystem really helps. For example, neuromarketing, there's marketing services which can be provided to all the groups. Similarly, someone is working on funding, someone is working on operations, the law, etc., etc. We can share the resources. This is the idea behind this, and this meeting is happening every week. So the top 15, 20 people every week like this will sit together, and let's next time probably we need to get some advice. I'll make it a bit more light so that people can laugh as well. When they become too serious, like as if we're discussing, something, an issue or problem. But yeah, I would like to work with all of you. The people who are already working with me, thank you very much, because I feel that together we are more powerful. And let's create something special for the world, where not only we benefit, but the millions of people can benefit as well. Thank you very much. Okay.